categories of entrepreneurship skills: technical skills, business management skills, and personal entrepreneurial skills. In the personal entrepreneurial skills, there are certain elements of entrepreneurship, certain elements of entrepreneurial behaviors that the entrepreneur must have. They include being a visionary leader, persistence, risk-taking, change-oriented, innovative, and inner control and discipline. Talking about personal entrepreneurial skills, one of the very critical skills is vision. An entrepreneur must be someone who can articulate a vision. And an entrepreneur is someone who pursues a vision. This entire journey of entrepreneurship is about pursuing that entrepreneurial vision. Now the question is, how do we create that vision, and what is that vision? And why do entrepreneurs need a vision? This journey of entrepreneurship is fraught with risk and failure and ups and downs, and most of the time, it is not a bed of roses. It is a path full of potholes, full of thorns, and to successfully, complete this journey, or to continuously pursue this journey, one must have, the guiding forces. One must have, a beacon in the distance. One must have the motivation, because there will be times, when you will ask a question to yourself that why am I doing what am I doing right now? Right? So to be able to have that answer, to be able to have that, motivation, you must have a vision. And what is a vision? As I said, vision is a beacon in the distance, and it conveys the 3 Ds: a sense of direction, a sense of discovery, and a sense of destiny. A vision gives you the direction where you are going. Now, what is the desired end state that you are going to create, or you are pursuing? Secondly, it is a sense of discovery, because most of the time as an entrepreneur, when we start up, we are heading towards a zone where we never been there, right? So it is a sense of discovery, that excitement, that curiosity, that willingness to explore has to be there. And third, the vision must communicate a sense of destiny. There must be some kind of a emotional connect to this vision, that why it becomes so relevant for us to passionately involve in pursuing this vision. So that was how we create a vision, and this 3 Ds will consist of 2 elements. One is the core ideology. What is the purpose of you doing, or you pursuing, or you undertaking this journey? Right? That doesn't change. This is core. And another one is the envisioned future. Like how is it that I'm not happy with the status quo, and what is the end state that I'm desiring? These 2 in combination becomes your vision, and that becomes the fuel, or that gives the wings to the dreams to pursue.